We are Seizmik, and our UTV and side-by-side doors are made tough, able to withstand all weather conditions and varied terrain. Custom engineered for your make and model and designed in the USA, our doors are compatible with most standard windshield, roof, and back panel configurations. With features like custom 3/4-inch tubular steel frame to assure a good fit, durable PVC-coated UV-resistant removable polyester door skins with Velcro adjustments, low-profile solid steel mounting brackets, quick removal hinges to remove most doors when you want to ride in the open, UV-resistant heavyweight window panels with commercial-grade zippers and roll and stow capability, included mirror mounting brackets to mount the mirrors in the forward corner just like in your truck, automotive-grade gaskets and latching systems. If you're looking for the right UTV door, you've just found it. Enthusiasts agree, Seizmik doors are the only way to go. Demand the best doors for your UTV. Demand Seizmik.